So here you will have the opportunity to learn about American innovators past and present, and to explore what is to come. The power of quantum computing is to innovate, endeavor, persevere. Benjamin Franklin, American founder, scientist, and to create a more perfect union.
We guarantee the unalienable rights of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Join us in exploring the impact of freedom and innovation as we embark on a journey into life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. The dawn of a new nation brought the promise of great freedom. Freedom to dream, explore, inspire, and chart the course for a better life and a brighter future. Visions of Americans to innovate, endeavor, and persevere. Benjamin Franklin, American founder, scientist, inventor, and diplomat. As we enjoy great advantages from the invention of others, we should be glad of an opportunity to serve others by any invention of others. And this, we should do freely and generously. Today is possible as we strive to create a world The sheer ideas far and wide, nearly instantaneously. There are 3.2 billion computers built into the smartphones that sit in the pockets and palms of people everywhere. Immediate access to information has created a new world that continues to change the way we live, conduct business, and envision tomorrow. Freedom affords us the opportunity to dream, to share, and to create. Invention depends upon bold ideas, unwavering ambition, and the relentless pursuit of the dream. Alexander Graham Bell's telephone single-handedly changed the language of human contact, along with our perception of the modern world, bridging distances that had once kept us separated. At the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, Nikola Tesla illuminated the world as audiences witnessed a new technology, the alternating current, another American invention that now electrifies our world. Modern mobility arrived when the Ford Motor Company revealed the Model T assembly line. The car was now within reach for many, bringing the world closer to their home. Mobility was dramatically expanded by the emergence of the jet age. Air travel changed our perspective of the world below as it became more affordable, resulting in a world in which we more readily impacted one another. The dawn of the space age brought new perspective. The Saturn V rockets that powered Americans to the moon helped us see our world from afar for the first time, allowing us to witness how beautiful our world is. The digital age brought personal computing and the internet into the offices, homes, and hands of people around the world. Envisioned and developed by American dreamers, and the internet makes it possible to share ideas far and wide. And aspiration continues to inspire even the youngest minds. They hold the promise of a brighter future, creating new and sustainable industries that mobilize society toward a better tomorrow. Always asking, what's next? Today, mobile technology impacts all aspects of our daily lives. We have climate crisis is felt globally, understanding changing weather patterns and increasing temperatures is the job of expensive weather satellites. Or is it?
The goal of NARAX is to use the harsh and unique environment of space to help mitigate some of the greatest challenges that we face here on Earth, from climate change to food scarcity.
We've announced the Ska Lab Research Center and will be the world's first commercial space research division, which is going to be looking at how we take a harsh environment of space and use it to create microbes, bacteria, seeds that can help mitigate climate change and fire species.
Earth and space are one ecosystem, really. We are part of each other, and so figuring out how to grow things in a much more harsh environment in space is going to help us grow things in harsher environments here on Earth.
The next generation of engineers, scientists, and innovators are already working to benefit our world in meaningful ways. These young American the development of better treatments is within reach, and their memories may not be lost. Unlocking the power of quantum computing will change the world, supercharging the next generation and generations of scientists. At the massive National Ignition Facility, funded by the U.S. Department of Energy and located at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California, decades of research and experimentation continue to find a path to create limitless, clean, sustainable energy by bringing star power to Earth. The facility conducts immersion confined fusion experiments using 132 powerful lasers to compress a target, a bigger than peppercorn filled with hydrogen isotopes. The combined heat generated can reach 55 million degrees Celsius. Moment, the star is born, housed safely within the confines of the lab, and all in about 5 microseconds. These experiments are leading us to sustainable, safe, and clean energy that will power the 21st century and energize our future. Since the invention of the automobile, cities and towns have evolved around the convenience of the car, bringing us to a crossroads in the current age of the commute. With the introduction of autonomous vehicles, we are reevaluating how mobility solutions factor into our everyday life. It's a future that will rethink transportation, but is not only confined to cars. Getting from A to B will be different as next-generation vehicles take to the skies. This autonomous revolution will empower a new form of mobility, one that creates opportunities for everyone to determine their own future. It's a future generated by American technology, breakthroughs that have produced GPS, cloud computing, and advances that will continue to change and improve life as we know it. America is leading exploration of the final frontier with a new generation of spaceflight that is set to take humans back to the moon and beyond. Already, private industry is launching high-speed internet constellations, bringing broadband internet to all parts of our world, and even launching home-sized CubeSats to low Earth orbit, providing important data to help farmers protect biodiversity, predict storms, and even send tourists into space. American companies are launching astronauts and cargo on regular missions to the International Space Station. The crew have maintained a continuous presence 400 kilometers over the Earth for over 20 years. NASA's Artemis program will inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, astronauts, and more, landing the first woman and first person of color on the lunar surface. The Artemis program includes the establishment of both a base camp at the Moon's South Pole and the Gateway Outpost in lunar orbit. Through the Artemis Accords, the United States will work with our international partners to establish a safe, peaceful, and prosperous future in deep space. Throughout the decade, we will study more of the Moon than ever before, learning more about its history and our own home planet. Together, we'll create a future where American technologies and global collaboration fuel opportunity, mobility, and sustainability from the Earth to the Moon. And now, far beyond. Cure disease, and create sustainable energy at home, on planet Earth, and beyond. All we need to do is look inward, upward, and forward, applying our unlimited creativity and capacity for innovation to the challenges of today and tomorrow. This is life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. It became the first spacecraft to leave our solar system. Every day, the Voyager mission streams back data 44 years after launching from Cape Canaveral in Florida. It's a mission that continues to reach for the stars and is made possible by our drive to discover, explore, and shape the future. We stand at a new frontier of discovery. The benefits of our unquenchable curiosity set the foundation for an exciting new future. In labs across America, scientists and engineers work to unlock the vast power of quantum computing. Cures for illness and disease, for example, may be found in qubits, the next generation code that unleashes the speed and potential of quantum computing. Quantum computing and its unique problem-solving capabilities promise to revolutionize the way we live, work, and create. Honeywell is one of a handful of leading American companies at the very forefront of this cutting-edge science, harnessing ion-based technologies to build systems to solve global challenges. Quantum computing may hold the power to find a cure for our greatest diseases. For example, quantum computing offers the promise to develop treatments to relieve the suffering of a parent with Alzheimer's, no longer able to remember their own children's names. Thanks to this breakthrough technology, the development of better treatments is within reach, and their memories may not be lost. Unlocking the power of quantum computing will change the world, supercharging the next information age. Invent transportation, but it's not only confined to cars. Getting from A to B will be different as next generation vehicles take to the skies. This autonomous revolution will empower a new form of mobility, one that creates opportunities for everyone to determine their own future. It's a future of engineers, astronauts, and more, landing the first woman and first person of color on the lunar surface. The Artemis program includes the establishment of both a base camp at the Moon's South Pole and the Gateway Outpost in lunar orbit. Through the Artemis Accords, the United States will work with our international partners to establish a safe, peaceful, and prosperous future in deep space. Throughout the decade, we will study more of the Moon than ever before, learning more about its history and our own home planet. Together, we'll create a future where American technologies and global collaboration fuel. At this very moment, NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers are conducting experiments that will help us safely set foot on the red planet. The United States has been exploring the Martian surface for 17 uninterrupted years, and our ongoing exploration heralds a new age of space discovery.
Control hub. Roger. Control hub further than 2%.
Together, we'll continue to move forward, inspired by the ideas that unite.
Hi everybody, welcome to Exhibit 6. If you guys can just keep flowing into the middle part of the room, please. So for those of you interested, might want to learn a little bit more about what you see here in front of you. I'm happy to tell you. This right here is a 1-to-1 scale replica of the Mars Opportunity rover. One of 5 rovers that the United States has landed on the surface of Mars since 1997. Opportunity here is widely considered the most successful of those 5. Why is that, you might ask? Well, a couple of main reasons. First and foremost, it greatly exceeded expectations. When it first launched back in 2003, the scientists at NASA, some of the smartest people in the entire world, thought it would only be active for about 3 months, 90 days or so. Opportunity, though, ended up lasting more than 14 years, 57 times longer than they initially anticipated. And the second reason why it's considered so successful is what it was doing during those 14 years. It wasn't just sitting up there, driving around, working on its tan or something. It was actually conducting experiments the whole time. See that thing that's sticking right out in front? For those of you in the back, it might be a little bit difficult. That's actually a drill that it used to go into the ground, into the Martian soil, and it was actually able to test what the soil, what it's composed of, and different rock samples as well. Opportunity was actually the first rover to discover evidence of water on Mars in the form of ice. So, as we look towards the next couple of decades, hopefully landing a human being on Mars, or maybe setting up some sort of long-term colony residence. Any of you guys want to move to Mars instead of the thing? You trying to go to Mars? I'm not. I'm staying in Massachusetts. Y'all can have fun. I can promise you that. But the only way that would be possible is if we have water. You need water for sustainable life. And Opportunity here, again, was the first rover to discover evidence of water on Mars.